Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. Which of the following password cracking techniques is used when the attacker has some information about a password? Option A. Hybrid attack. Option B. Dictionary attack. Option C. Syllable attack. Option D. Rule-based attack. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, rule-based attack. Question 2. Which of the following is an application alert returned by a web application that helps an attacker guess a valid username? Option A. Invalid username or password. Option B. Account username was not found. Option C. Incorrect password. Option D. Username or password incorrect. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, incorrect password. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.